Good morning, everyone. Happy New Year. Well, it's we made it 2025. We're looking forward to a great year. 2024 was an amazing year. We grew the channel with all of you guys, so we really appreciate it. But now into 2025, we got a lot of awesome stuff. But before we do that, we got to play around with a little bit of snow that we got here today. So I want to have you guys have a look at my snowplow setup. As you can see, we got a lot of beautiful snow today here in, I guess, eastern, southern Ontario. So we got the RZR here in the garage. As you can see, it's all nicely tucked away, but it's that I want to talk about. Sorry about the mud. I was out there yesterday fooling around with it a little bit. So we got the 2021 Polaris Pro XP here in the garage, sporting the amazing Bullite rims and super grip tires. But what I'm here to talk about is this 6-foot click and go by Kimpex plow. So it's, like I said, 6 foot, mounts to a steel plate underneath, clips right in. You can see there, it clips right in. It's got a bunch of amazing features in it. Click this down, you can see it. I can rotate it around. Hooks directly to my winch. And that's basically it. It's an amazing setup, super easy to install, super easy to click on and off. You can do it with one person. Just hook your winch up, pulls up the bars, clips into the little hooks that I have mounted underneath the RZR. There's a plate that gets bolted onto the bottom, and away she goes. So let's get her all fired up, get some heat in the engine, and we'll show you what she can do.